If you think your account is dead in the water because you have dozens or even hundreds of intellectual property right complaints over the years, you are dead wrong. Okay, Amazon sellers, I'm going to be talking to you about two different cases for a client of ours who's been with us for, I'd got to say, at least 6 or 7 years. Okay, so I'm not going to say his name, but we met at a very, very small event for Amazon sellers held in a suburb of Chicago. And he is a great guy, a smart business person, and he supports his family by buying and reselling products of all different brands and all different categories. And by doing that over the years, he has attracted countless intellectual property right complaints, usually brands who have no idea how to properly do brand protection will accuse him of selling counterfeit products. So what does he do? We are on retainer for years and years and years because he has a problem. He calls us up, he's got an assigned paralegal, and we get to work on his stuff right away. He's got like a hotline to one of our top paralegals that I'll share with you. This is Carrie McDonald. She was the very first paralegal that I hired to help us in this area of business. She is brilliant. She has a college degree, a master's degree, and I think she even has a PhD. I mean, she's absolutely brilliant. Carrie, you rock. So in any event, another counterfeit complaint comes in. We immediately contact the rights owner, the person that made that complaint, and we were dead on accurate that they only accused our client of selling counterfeit products. And we explained to them, like we have dozens of times this particular seller, that the products are entirely genuine. Here's where they were sourced from. Here's the documents to prove it. And while you may not like the fact that he's selling your products on Amazon and undercutting you on price, the products are entirely genuine, and your accusation of selling counterfeit products is totally false. That triggers an ability to sue the brand for defamation. It includes an ability to sue the brand for interference with the contract with Amazon. And these arguments work, and we were again able to persuade two different brands against this long-term client to retract their complaints. And by the time you're watching this video, he is off selling palletfuls of another brand's products and making money on Amazon. So here's the takeaway, okay? Just because the complaint was made against you, it doesn't even mean that the brand intended to make that specific complaint. They may have intended to accuse you of trademark infringement or copyright infringement, but counterfeit was the first drop down, so they clicked that. You can use this information to get your accounts reactivated. You can use this information to get your listings reactivated. And if you need more guidance, go to our website, the greatest depository of information to sell on Amazon anywhere on earth.